Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to add deductible expenses in ATO tax return. Start by logging into your MyGov account and opening the Australian Taxation Office service. Then access your tax return for the correct financial year. As you go through the form, find the deductions section where you can enter your eligible expenses. Add work-related costs like travel, uniforms, tools, or home office expenses, but only include what you actually paid for and used for work. Make sure you have receipts, invoices, or records to support every claim. Enter the amounts carefully in the correct categories to avoid mistakes. If you are unsure about a deduction, check ATO guidelines before adding it. After entering everything, review your return to ensure accuracy. Correctly claiming deductions can reduce your taxable income and help you get the most accurate refund without issues. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.